Exponential and logarithmic functions. Exponential function, a type of function in math that involves exponent, and a logarithm is the power to which a number must be raised in order to get some other number. Logarithm is the inverse function to exponentiations. There is a form 2 to the power 2 equals to 4, equivalent to logarithmic form logarithm 4 to the base 2 equals to 2, or simply the base b exponent e equal to the number 4. So transform into logarithmic form logarithm to the number in to the base b equals to the exponent. Transform the following exponential form to logarithmic form. So this one equals to log 1 over 100 to the base 10 equals to minus 2. So the same thing for this one. Log 27 3 there equals to 3. So the same thing for this one. Log 8 to 3. Transform into exponential form. So this one becomes 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. This one 10 cubed equals to 1000. And this one transformed to x squared equals to 16. Find the value of x, this one. 4 x minus 2 equals to 16. So 4 x minus 2 equals to 4 square. So x is equals to 4. X minus 2 equals to 2. X equals to 4. This one. 4. 2x minus 5 equals to 4 cubed. Two x minus 5 to 3. 2x equals to 8. X equals to 4. Ten to the power 1 minus x equals to 10 power 4. So simply this one becomes 1 minus x equals to 4. So minus x equals to 4 minus 1. So x is equals to minus 3. So on this one, we have this one, 3 to the power x equals to 3 to x plus 6, or x equals to 2x plus 12, or minus x equals to 12, x equals to minus 12. El-Hospital rule and indeterminate forms of limits. So limits sometimes are indeterminate forms. So this one 0 plus and minus infinity 1 power infinity, 0 power 0 din infinity power 0 din infinity up to negative infinity. L'Hospital's rule, limit of f of x over g of x approaches a, should be the limit of the first derivative of x over first derivative of x. The rule tells us that if we have an indeterminate form, we have to differentiate the numerator and denominator and take the limit. Example, find the limit of x squared minus x minus 2 over 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 when x approaches 2. Solution is simply that if you substitute x equals to 2 on these equations, numerator becomes 0 as well as denominator. So it is indeterminate form. So the solution this one is using L'Hospital's rule. So get the limit on the first derivative, then limit on the second derivative, substitute the value there, and the answer is not indeterminate. So the answer is this one, 3 over 6 over 1 half. So we'll teach you on how to get a first derivative in the next topic.